Welcome to Coolant U, the 10-part video series that helps you reach a higher degree of knowledge about engine coolant. Made possible by Recochem, your partner in formulating solutions. In this introductory video, we'll cover basic concepts that will help you get the most from this series, including the function of coolant, the needs of modern engines, and how coolants differ. Engine coolant is a fluid that dissipates heat in vehicle systems. It pumps through the engine block, absorbing heat generated by combustion. The heated fluid is carried through hoses into a radiator, where it can be cooled by air circulation. Coolant is vital to engine functionality. 40 to 50% of all vehicle breakdowns are due to cooling system failures, often an issue with the coolant fluid itself. That means a proper coolant education is necessary to keep your engine safe. While engine technology is more advanced than ever, a lot more is being asked of it too. This includes increased demands for uptime, harsh operating conditions, longer service life, corrosion protection, and high-stakes performance for reliability. Today's engines are often made of lighter metals like aluminum, with hoses and gaskets crafted from a variety of new materials. These improvements meet the demand for better fuel economy with lower emissions, but they also cause engines to run hotter, adding greater demand on their cooling systems. From passenger cars to heavy-duty vehicles, modern engines rely on advanced coolant technology to protect them from overheating and corrosion. Engine coolants are not all the same. They are specially formulated to match different engines and operating conditions. There are also options that provide longer service life to reduce maintenance intervals. It's critical to match the engine needs to the type of coolant right for it. Conventional, OAT, hybrid. A working knowledge of all these differences in coolant formulations is essential. We'll explore different coolant types in the next video. Producing engine coolants requires advanced science. Recochem Laboratories is a major producer of engine coolant technologies. It takes strategic partnerships with vehicle manufacturers and major suppliers to stand at the forefront of coolant formulating. Surprisingly, only a handful of qualified producers meet the needs for engine coolants worldwide. But all the formulating isn't very useful if you're unsure about which one to select. Whether you're a fleet manager, parts professional, or repair tech, keeping track of all the coolant choices on the market can be tough. That's why we created Coolant U. This video series breaks down the science, taking complicated technology and making it understandable. We'll give you the knowledge, making it easy to spec the right coolant for any vehicle. This episode introduces only the basic concepts, like the function of coolant, the needs of modern engines, and how coolant technologies differ. In the next video, you'll learn more about the specific ingredients used in formulating engine coolants. Until then, thanks for watching Coolant U, where you always reach a higher degree of knowledge.